The Summit Within. In this story, Major HPS Ahluwalia recounts his experience of climbing Mount Everest and the impact it had on him. When Major Ahluwalia finally reached the summit of Mount Everest, he felt mixed emotions: humility, relief, and a little sadness. The immense beauty that lay all around and below him made him realize the smallness of man in the vast universe. Physically, he was relieved to have finally reached that almost unconquerable height. He felt sad when he realized that the experience would almost immediately become a thing of past. Major Ahluwalia explains that climbing Mount Everest fills a person with everlasting joy and gratitude. Mountains have an impact on mountaineers that no other experience can match. After achieving this impressive feat, the Major began asking himself why he had decided to climb Everest. Mount Everest symbolizes challenge, and people usually feel a sense of victory after reaching its summit. The climb poses tough challenges, and the journey up to the summit and back down are equally difficult. His experience at Mount Everest enabled Major Ahluwalia to face the challenges of life. Major Ahluwalia considers mountains as a way to communicate with God. According to him, conquering a mountain is not just an act of physical prowess, it is also an emotional and spiritual awakening. It tells you to rise above your uneventful surroundings. Climbing a mountain requires determination, persistence, tolerance, and resolve. Not giving up the climb midway, therefore, needs inner strength, physical strength, and lots of help and inspiration from your partner. The powerful, beautiful, and challenging Mount Everest holds a special attraction for Major Ahluwalia. At the summit, you feel enthralled looking at the towering, silvery peaks piercing the clouds. When you look down at the valleys, you feel as if you are bowing in reverence before God. People leave behind pictures and objects of worship as a mark of reverence. After climbing Everest, Major Ahluwalia wondered what more was left to conquer. Upon reflection, he realized that the human mind is as difficult to conquer as Everest. We must conquer the summit of the mind to understand who we are. We must climb it ourselves. No one else can do it for us. In Major Ahluwalia's opinion, both types of climbing have the power to change us by teaching us about the world and about who we actually are.